Hey there, folks. We've all been there, haven't we? We're enjoying our favorite spicy snack, and bam! Out of nowhere, a tiny, painful nemesis appears. Yes, I'm talking about mouth ulcers. But don't you worry. We're going to tackle the big question. How to get rid of mouth ulcers. And not just rid, but rid fast, and in the comfort of your own home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Let's start with the basics. The most common culprit behind mouth ulcers is simple irritation. Maybe you've been brushing a bit too hard or bitten your cheek by accident, or perhaps your spicy snacks are a tad too hot. It happens to the best of us. You see, a study published in 2016 by the International Journal of Dentistry brought to light the connection between physical trauma and mouth ulcers. And, remember, spicy food could be your unintentional frenemy here. To soothe the burn and speed up healing, a classic saltwater rinse is your first stop. Sounds simple, right? Just half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water, stir until it's dissolved, then swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Salt water creates an environment where bacteria struggle to survive. It's a bit like you trying to live in the desert without any water. Tough, right? So, when we rinse with salt water, we're essentially creating a mini desert for those pesky bacteria. Next, you've got baking soda. I bet you didn't know it could be more than just a fridge freshener, huh? It's all about balance, like in life. Baking soda helps neutralize the acid in your mouth. Remember your high school chemistry? Acid plus base equals neutral. That's what we're doing here. Now, for this, you'll need to mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Apply this paste directly onto your ulcer, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. Honey is another household ingredient you can enlist in this battle. A study carried out by the National Center for Biotechnology Information in 2014 stated that honey could help with healing wounds, and yes, mouth ulcers are tiny wounds. So, go ahead, apply some honey onto your ulcer. It's sweet relief, literally. Cold compresses, like an ice cube, can also be a lifesaver. Numb the pain by pressing it against your ulcer. Imagine it as a little ice pack for your tiny oral injury. Another soothing agent can be found in your tea cabinet. Chamomile tea. The same stuff that helps you sleep can help your mouth chill out. Just wet a chamomile tea bag and press it against your ulcer. Kinda like applying a healing poultice to a wound, but in your mouth. Finally, there are over-the-counter products like mouth rinses or topical creams. One of the common ones you'll find is a mouth rinse with the active ingredient chlorhexidine gluconate, which, according to research published in 2017 by the Journal of Clinical Periodontology, can decrease the healing time of mouth ulcers. Before we finish up, remember, if an ulcer lasts longer than 2 weeks or is exceptionally painful, you should consider seeking professional advice. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to get rid of mouth ulcers in the comfort of your own home. So next time that fiery foe strikes, you'll be more than ready. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you've got any other home remedies or experiences to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.